From time to time, we come across animal facilities where the animal rooms have no internet connection and no established animal management system. With just a simple Excel macro, a USB stick, and our device, you can run smooth digital animal management right at the laminar flow at affordable expense. You select your cages in Excel. A macro automatically creates XML files on the USB stick. You load these files into CageTalkers Assist. Within moments, digital cage cards are created. Your animals are recorded electronically and ready for further actions, like mating, weaning, or culling. Complex tasks can be done safely and intuitively, mostly with just one button. This means fully digital in the animal room, paperless, no network required. Excel-based cage data is transferred directly from the planning laptop to the CageTalkers Assist system in the animal room via a USB memory stick. We select 2 cages using standard Excel functions and start a macro to generate cage XML files. The cage XML files are created on the USB stick. We put the USB stick to the CageTalkers Assist device. Now we start the upload routine on the CageTalkers Assist device and then assign the CageTalker labels to the cage data. With the move command, we start the creation and the update of the digital cage cards. And we immediately continue to work with our virtual changing station to perform a mating. Let's have a look at the source cages first. Females, males, and empty cage. Now we scan all 3 cages on the workboard and they all appear in the virtual changing station. Now we press the Matrio key. We do not want to create a plug check alarm. We just want to create the mere cage cards in this case. What we are doing here can be done in real time at the workboard or if an intranet is available in the office. We see how the cage talkers are finalized. If you are using the pre-registration module, you will see the watermarks in 2 source cages, showing the target cage and the animals to be moved. The 2 source cages with the target cage and the target cage showing the source cages. As I mentioned, this pre-registration can be also done in the office. Provided an intranet exists, the cage talkers would directly change at the rack. Processes are most efficient when pre-registration is completed in the AMS and CageTalkers update automatically via the intranet.